In today's episode, a Toyota will be fake, a Miata will be sus, and a Nissan will be pink.
Because I mean, it is built on showing off.
This is what a Nitrous Purge looks like. Is it really needed? Yes, since it helps to clean the delivery lines of air and vapor, thus guaranteeing immediate power from the nitrous system. Plus, you can show dominance over your rival by sneezing on his car. In the world of aviation, any landing that you can walk away from is considered a good landing. By that logic, the guy driving this Camaro should get a pilot's license right now. This Twingo has the level of swag no one watching this video will ever achieve. Please, one by one ladies. As it turns out, racing games are not that far from reality, at least when it comes to the first lap madness or safety car restarts. This is the Polonez car. You may think it looks like a Russian version of the Toyota AE86, and you are right, except for the fact that this is the pinnacle of car engineering from my country, Poland. Here it is, drifting with another Polonez. The Australian tiger beetle is the world's fastest running insect recorded to date, with an average speed of 5.5 miles per hour. Just kidding. In reality, the fastest beetle is this Volkswagen Beetle with a Audi 4.2 liter V8 swap. Basically, the Australian tiger beetle just took a fat L. Whistling Diesel said that you should pay less attention to the mechanical state of your car and just simply enjoy it. This guy took his advice and drove his Formula 1 car on some dirt. These gentlemen found a new way to camp in the wilderness.
Now this is the secret. If you are too lazy to build up your tent, you get shadow just sitting under the tree light.
If you are like me, you don't really enjoy cleaning up your room. Okay, actually nobody does. But the point is that your car can help you with cleaning up your garage. Don't believe me? Check this out. If you think American drag racing is dangerous, I would like to remind you that Brazilians drag race trucks on dirt roads. The 1UZ is one of my favorite V8 engines, since it not only sounds good, but is super reliable. This guy swapped one into a Miata, which made me not. If driving a car with a manual transmission is confusing to you, remember that there is a transmission system with two shifting sticks. I am not good at explaining things, but there is basically two sticks. The right one is the auxiliary stick that allows you to split the main 6 gears on the left transmission into 4 different ones. So you first shift with the left stick into first gear on the main transmission, then go to the right stick's second transmission and shift through the gears until the fourth one. Then you go into the second on the main transmission and repeat the steps. If you don't see a pinned comment of someone telling me I have no idea how this works, I most likely explained this correctly. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. When we look at racing footage from 50 years ago, we notice one thing immediately: the lack of safety equipment. That's why we think those drivers were the most brave ones. But I would argue that those who still drive the same cars today are even more brave, since they actually have a choice between a safe racing car and a machine that would kill you the second you even think about crashing. Attention! If you are German or just really like Volkswagen Golfs and V6 engines, the next few seconds will be the best of your life. This is a Vr6 swapped Golf with over 850 horsepower. It sounds as good as it looks. You know me, when I see a tiny car with a bike engine, my day gets immediately better. Just like this Fiat 126p with a Honda engine. This guy is an expert at finding the way to the toilet at 3 AM when it's completely dark in your house. Oh, he's also pretty good at drifting.
He is right up the top of qualifying. He topped qualifying yesterday, but at the moment he sits first in 96, and the bonnet's come up onto the windscreen. He is not going to try and attempt this. He's not going to try and attempt this bonnet up. Bonnet's up on the windscreen.
He's going to go
and he's
for it.
He's in a better line than half the grid at the moment. How is he seeing what's going on? The line is still absolutely perfect right now.
It's the last clipping point. 1 more to go. Everybody applauds.
I started I started clapping in the tower. It doesn't make any sense.
You can find the answer to everything on YouTube. Complex questions like, I wonder how the inside of a Prius engine looks like when the manifold is removed. Don't worry, I have you covered. As a small thank you for watching my video until the end, here's an interesting fact. Did you know that Frankenstein was a vegetarian? Also, I recently played Airsoft on my second channel.
Whoa, everything alright?
Oh, fuck.
I got him.
Check out my second channel if you want to see me playing Airsoft. Just click right here if you want to check it out. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.